This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites so setup doesn't stall. Connect the NX device via a direct USB-C cable, then open the NX Tether app. Grant any requested permissions immediately. Once done, install drivers if the host prompts. This is required for stable data transfer. Make sure to disable battery-saving modes and close conflicting apps because they can interrupt Tether negotiation. This early precision prevents later reconnection loops and saves time when you now configure connection parameters to match your workflow. Choose Tether mode, file transfer for payloads, internet share for browsing or debug for development, and adjust MTU and keepalive to avoid fragmentation or idle drops. Enable encryption if sensitive data flows. Otherwise, turn it off for performance. Once configured, run a quick transfer and check the app logs to confirm packet flow. If you see retries, lower MTU or increase keepalive. These changes reduce latency and stabilize throughput. You finish by saving a profile and validating behavior across reboots. This locks in stable settings. If the link drops, first swap the cable and toggle USB mode on the device. These quick steps fix most physical or negotiation issues. Next, check the host driver status and restart the Tether service if needed. If problems persist, enable verbose logs and inspect error codes. They tell you whether the issue is driver, MTU, or power related, which guides the precise fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.